In this video we are talking about if Elrond is going to the downside or if we see a massive run to the upside. We started our bullish move right in this demand zone in 2020 to the all-time high, and from the down to the all-time high we saw a 2200% move, and from the all-time high to the prices right now we saw a correction about 95%. As you can see, after this explosive move to the upside to the all-time high, we also saw an explosive correction to this zone right here. Here we saw a consolidation to this supply zone right now, and from the supply zone we saw also a bearish move to the downside. So I think that this supply zone here is a major resistance in the future. But now, as you can see, we saw this bearish move to the downside, and here we are seeing a bearish order flow. So we are seeing lower highs all the way and lower lows. So now the question is, are we falling even to lower levels, or do we see consolidation and a bullish move to the upside? As I mentioned earlier, we started our bullish move right from this demand zone, and as you can see, we came into this demand zone, found some support, but then we are moved right back into this demand zone. First, this is a very good sign that we saw some support from this demand zone, but it's looking very bearish right now. For me, the most important is that we don't break this line from $20.70 to the downside with a body close, otherwise we are bearish. As we go deeper in the chart, it's not looking very bullish for Elrond. So now, what is important for Elrond? For me, it's very important that we don't see a body close under this line right here. We saw this bearish order flow with lower highs and lower lows. So I think it's realistic that we come back to this line right here. And if we just see a wick under this line here, but a daily or weekly body close in this area right here over this line, the chance that we move to the upside is high. So if we don't see a body close under this purple line and we just saw a wick, I would move into a long position. But be very cautious because we are, as I said, in a bearish structure right now. But there's also the possibility that we move to the upside. And I think the next important resistance area is this supply zone, because from the supply zone we saw this move to the downside and made a lower low. So I want to see a bullish reaction right in this zone and that we move strictly to the upside. And if we break this supply zone right here to the upside, I think there are even higher levels for Elrond. But as I'm always saying in my videos, it's very important that Bitcoin is also going to the upside, or that Bitcoin is not going in the downside, because if Bitcoin has a correction, the chance that other cryptos like Elrond are also going to the downside is very high. Alright, now you know my game plan. Anything interesting is happening at Elrond, I will make a video about it. So feel free to subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Elrond. So thank you really much for watching. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. I wish you the best profits in trading and see you in the next one.